afternoon. It's 12:30, 27 degrees already, and I'm heading towards near the old town. Then I'm heading towards the beach. A new Indian restaurant has opened up, and they have gathered about 300 5-star reviews in 3 weeks' time. So that's quite a lot. So I want to check that out, and then I want to walk back towards the Rincon by the Levante Beach. I think it's really a beach day today. Perfect weather. There is a little bit of wind, a lot less than yesterday. So I want to check that out. Quite a lot of people are going for a walk this early afternoon. It's lovely weather, and especially here underneath the trees where you're walking a bit hidden from the sun. It's really doable, really manageable, but that sun, it's intense today. Fountain is switched off today. Don't know why. I always love it when it's on. Gives a nice bit of refreshing. A lot more atmosphere to the area. So I came past here yesterday, Tumeric. It was open then, and I thought it opened at 1. Apparently this is the only day they open at 6. But that is brand new. They've got really a lot of good reviews in that short amount of time they're open. They have a lot of seating space. You can see some over there. On the right side even. Nicely decorated inside. And of course the left is also in with them. The menu is inside currently, and indeed this is the only day they open from 6. 14.50 for a menu, really affordable. It's really close to Old Town, so I think I have to try this one out really for 14.50. And that many good reviews in such a short amount of time. I'm impressed. Okay, so I just found out my mic wasn't turned on. Hope the sound quality is still good. Okay, you can hear me. From now on it's on. Should be way better. As said, I'm heading towards the beach. I think it's more of a beach day today. Still lots and lots of seating availability this early. And I can spot the yellow flag in the distance, so it might be windy out. A lot of people are heading for the beach today. Let's have a look how busy it is. Up from here it's packed to the brim until the end. About every single sunbed is rented out. Counted how many? €6 a piece? That is a lot of money. Should have started my business doing that. but not the whole beach is covered with sunbeds that are able to rent. Also enough spots where you can just put your towel down or your own chair. Bars on the left, the City Sports Bar. Nice and calm atmosphere today. So if you're wondering how to get towards the Indian restaurant where we just were, Tumeric, if you head down from the Burger King here, where the subway is, in that small street where those two ladies are walking towards in the distance, then you end up at it. There are also plenty of Spanish tapas bars in that street, if you're more interested in that. And if you enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like, really helps promoting it on YouTube. Thank you. We're at Tiki Town, bottle of Amstel, a bucket of Amstel. 5 bottles is €10, 2 bottles €4. Some beach prices. I don't think it's that expensive, especially if you compare to the rest of Europe, where I'm from, the Netherlands. It's way more expensive over there. Heartbreak is kind of busy in there. Ice cream shop next door, Pinocchio. Not at all compared to the crowd as they usually get. But look at this, all the way from the end towards the right side. It's completely packed up. Yeah, maybe a few bits at the beginning and not. A few sunbeds are free. But the rest, man, it's busy. Something is happening further on. Police coming up towards the promenade. Don't know why. Oh, I think I know why. It's because of the renovation project that is next to it. I'll show you. So the last few months they have been replacing and renovating these decoration light poles on the beach. And because of works going on. Cars can't pass here, but police needs to do their patrol. Made a quick jump ahead towards Caiman and Tiki Beach to show you guys these last few bars over here on Levante Beach.
Oh, niks slecht hoor.
They're doing really well, but not as much as yesterday. Want to see how that was? Click right up here.